start to the day for the time of year. Temperatures widely 13 to 15 Celsius. We're also looking at some clear skies across parts of England and Wales, but there's some low cloud, some mist pushed inland through the course of the night, and they'll pull back to the coast. But for Scotland, it's a different story. As we just saw on the news there's some heavy rain coming in across the northwest. The Met Office has a yellow weather warning out for this because it's falling on already saturated ground, exacerbating the flooding risk. And across southwest Scotland, Northern Ireland, we've got some showery rain. Come south, and we're looking at drier conditions. So through the day, the showery rain pushes into northern England. The rain across Scotland sinks that bit further south, till still two severe flood warnings in force from SEPA, and it's going to be a breezy day wherever you are, but windy across the far north with temperatures 13 to 23, 24, possibly even 25 somewhere in the southeast. Now, as we head through the evening and overnight, our rain band sinks southwards, weakening, but then it will rejuvenate. The rain will turn heavier as it moves across England and Wales. To the south, there'll be some fog patches forming. To the north, we're looking at blustery showers and still windy in the far north of Scotland. So tomorrow, this rain continues to edge southwards, not getting into the far south of England till after dark. So here it will remain quite bright through the day. Behind it, sunshine, blustery showers in the north, still windy here, but note the difference in the temperatures. Fresher conditions are following on behind this weather front, but still very warm in the far southeast. But as we head towards the end of the week, Sal and John, it looks like we'll get back to average temperatures and more like autumnal weather. The Scottish Environment Protection Agency still has two severe flood warnings in force across parts of Scotland, and currently there are 33 flood warnings. You can find out more about those on our BBC Weather website. Now, the other thing that's happening today is we've got some heavy rain coming in across the northwest. The Met Office has a warning out for this, a yellow warning. At lower levels, quite widely, we could have up to 15 to 25 millimetres of rainfall, twice that on higher ground. We also have some showery rain crossing Northern Ireland this morning, getting into northern England before this rain arrives later on in the day, and some low cloud mist and murk, which will push back to the coasts where it will linger. But away from this, for much of England and a lot of Wales as well, to be warm. It's a breezy day, windy across the far north, and these are our temperatures. We're looking at 13 in the north to 23 or 24, possibly even 25 as we sweep down towards the south. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, our band of rain pushes south as a weakening feature, but it peps up through the night as it crosses England and also Wales. It won't get into the far south, where we'll see some mist and fog forming, blustery showers behind it, strong winds still across the far north of Scotland. It's going to be a cold night in parts of Scotland, 4 to 6 degrees. Come further south, we're looking at temperatures 11 to 14 or 15. Tomorrow then, here's our band of rain, still quite heavy at times, pushing down towards the south. Ahead of it, it will still be bright and warm. Behind it, we're looking at sunshine and blustery showers, still windy across the far north of the country, but you can see how the fresher conditions push that a bit further south, but in the south itself, 19 to 22 Celsius. I'm off to put my false teeth back in, Sam.